Hi, I'm Mokola and I'm going to show the resources in Moodle. First, you turn editing on, then let's scroll down to activities and resources. There's activity and resources, click on it. Right at the top are the activities. Then you scroll down to the resources. We've got annotatable file, book, resource model, file resource model, folder resource model, label, lightbox gallery, page, poster, and URL. Starting with annotable file. Before we do that, there are two ways that you can open it. It's either you double click on the name or you click inside here and then click on add. Right, annotatable file, it's where students can take notes, either opening a file in a new browser or downloading the file into their computer or opening in Notes and start taking notes. The next one is a book file. In a book file, it's where the teacher creates a multiple resources book format. And then we've got a file where the teacher provides a resource in a form of a file. Then we've got a folder resource module, is where related resources are kept together. There's a label resource module where text or multimedia resources can be inserted into the course paper in between the resources and activities. From there, we've got the lightbox gallery where learners can view images. And then there's a page resource module where a teacher uses the text editor to create a web page resource. And then we've got a poster resource module where a teacher makes a page out of blocks and able to place them at the preferred location. And lastly, we have a URL resource module where the teacher provides a web link as a resource. To open this, you click on the name of your resource and then you click on add, or the other way, you double click on the name of the resource and it will open to the resource. You write the name of the resource, the description, and if you want the description to show on the page, you click in here, then your description will be shown on the page. And then in here you use, and in here you can write the content of your resource. Then appearance, to display page name, clicked display page description. If you want that, you click in there. Display last modified date, you click in there. And then there's a common module setting, show on the coach page so that the student can see that. But if you want the student to see it later, then you can hide it until the day you want them to see it. The restrictions, grant-related exhibits, you click if you want that. Competencies when conditions are met, or you can leave as none. Then you can activity completion. Student can manually mark the activity as complete. So there will be a box next to the name of the resource, so the student can mark when they are complete, when they have completed that. Or do not indicate activity completion. You can leave it not to indicate, or show activity as complete when conditions are met. You set the conditions, so when those conditions are met, then automatically it will be ticked. And then you can set the date, expected completed date. You enable here and then set the date that you want that resource to be completed, and you can put in the text. And there are some competencies. No section, search, do nothing. Let's see here what's there. Attach evidence, send for review, or complete for competencies. And when you are through, then you click on save and return to the course, or save and display. Or if you are not satisfied with what you have done, you can cancel that. I would like to thank you for the time you gave to me. Thank you.